Hi, Mike Simmons here, and today we're going to talk about your time and your time off. Boy, that's a fun topic. Head over to ClassLink and District Tools, and you'll see Employee Access. Once you get signed in, on the left-hand side, you've got your time and your pay, and on the upper right corner of the dashboard, you'll see your available sick hours and your personal sick hours. You get 5 personal sick days, and then you get sick time. What if I've used all my sick time? Well, simple. We would just use your personal sick time if that runs out. Now, if you haven't used all your personal sick time for the year, guess what? That would roll into your sick bucket for next year. Okay, on the left side, it says My Time, Time Off Request, and on the upper right corner, hit Show More, and that will show you all your different buckets of available time to take off. Now in the middle, you want to select the calendar. So whatever day you're taking off, select the day, and then you're going to put the type and the reason. Now only put the reason if it makes sense. Otherwise, just put some comments like, I had to go to the dentist for 2 hours. And that will show up in the finance department and on your paycheck. And so that'll help us be able to cover why that time was off. Now by default, it's going to put 8 hours. So just hit the pencil icon and you can adjust it as needed. Once you update that, go ahead and submit your time off request, and then that will get approved. Now let's talk about entering your time. For non-exempt staff only, on the left side, you've got your timesheets. We're going to hit Add Time Punch, and you're selecting your day. Now, it will show the hours if you select the clock icon, but what if you start at 7:30? You can just type it in 7:30, put A for AM, P for PM, and then you put your time in and you put your time out. Oh, well, wait a second. What if I take a duty-free lunch? No big deal. Just put your time up until your lunch break and then add a time punch and your time back in from your lunch break and then your time out. Simple as that. And then once you hit done, we're going to hit Save for Later. Well, why Save for Later? Well, today is only Tuesday. So I'm going to hit Save for Later, and I'm going to wait until Friday to actually submit my timesheet. Okay, now it's Friday, and I'm going to hit Submit My Timesheet. Do you see where it says Saved at the top? That's where you can see the status. But here I've got a completed week of work. I'm going to hit Submit. I will acknowledge that that time is accurate. And now it says Submitted right there at the top. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.